Terminal output history. I make extensive use of the functions to navigate through the command history in my terminal. I wonder if there is some way to navigate the command output history as well, besides keeping a large hist size and leaning on the page up key. I cannot just rerun the command, as in my particular situation the source of the commands changes. I frequently need to look back at the output of a previous change. Hacks welcome. Thanks. Edit 2010. I've given T the credit. Among all the methods to log your session elsewhere, it's the most broadly applicable, i.e. it's part of new core utils, and doesn't require a specific shell or utility to work. It wasn't really what I was looking for, but I realized that such a thing doesn't really exist. The closest approximation I can think of is to use something like screen, byobu/tmux, that logs to file, and write, and keybind, a custom command to page/search through that log file. Think less paging by prompt rather than screen. Thanks everyone. Edit 2012. At Dustin Kirkland's answer is clearly best, at least generally. The terminal's scrollback buffer is least intrusive way to navigate command output history. byobu appears to have a large default number of history lines saved, 10k, tmux has 2k, new screen 100, and it allows regex searches. A cursory look indicates that new screen has no scrollback search, and tmux has only plaintext search.
You mentioned using byobu. That's certainly one way of doing it. byobu stores 10k lines of scrollback history per window or per split pane. You can enter scrollback easily by pressing Alt page up, Alt page down, or F7. Once you're in scrollback mode, you can search forward and backward using VLOOKUP commands. Use /regex to search forward, and regex to search backward.
You can use T to send your command output to a file and to the terminal at the same time.
You can use script to log your terminal session to a file. If you always want this to happen, then add a suitable script command to your .login $man script.
Use screen L. After exiting shell session, exit command, you get a log file in the same directory you started screen. Then you can view the output with more or less R.